विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. रेल्वे ट्रॅक दोट्टीकरणा बाबतींत कांसावलेच्या सरपंचान हांवें तिका काळखांत दवरला म्हूण म्हजेर आरोप केला. मात म्हज्या कांय पयलीं ती ह्या क्षेत्रांत आसा. कितें घडटा हाची तिका जाणीव आसपाक जाय म्हूण आमदार एलिना उलयल्या. जाल्यार वेळसांवच्या सरपंचाक आतां जाग आयल्या. सरकार म्हजो एकट्याचो आवाज कशें आयकतलो ह्या खातीर सगळे एकठांय येवपाक जाय म्हूण मुखार आमदार एलिनान म्हळां. RDX गोवा खातीर कांसावलेच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Madam, this Kansaulim Panchayat and Velsav Panchayat have been ganging up and talking against you, saying that government is not listening to your MLA. What do you have to say on this?
Well, I happened to see a visual clip wherein I saw the Sarpanch of Kansaulim, saying that I have kept her in the dark. Frankly, I did not know that she is a babe from the woods that needs to be guided by me. She is in public life much longer than I am, and being a people's representative, she should know that it is her responsibility to keep a watch on what's happening around her, more importantly, on what is happening that is affecting the village which has elected her as the Sarpanch. But she has failed in that. In fact, the first time around, when we were called to the collectorate, I called her and she came. Now I would like to ask her, what if she is in the dark and totally ignorant about what is happening around her? What stops her from picking up the phone and giving me a call to find out what's happening? Please, if you are concerned and you are focused, nothing can stop you from doing what you believe is right. So let's not find excuses to cover up our lack of responsibility and concern. Velsav Panchayat, I really am surprised that at last the Sarpanch of Velsav Panchayat, Mr. Henry de Mello, has at last woken up from his slumber. Because till date, in spite of so much happening, he has not uttered a word. The only thing now he can do is, he has not even said anything about the issue. He has only said that the government does not listen to me. Obviously, why should the government listen to me if there is only one person, crying wolf or saying wolf or crying fowl? When, strength lies in the voice of the people of an area. So it's for the people to convince the government. And I'm sure that the government will do what is right by the people. There is no doubt, because I would like to inform both these Sarpanchas that the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has called for a meeting along with the representative of the South Western Railway and some village representatives, wherein this issue will be discussed threadbare, and hopefully we will find a solution to the problem that is now upsetting the people of all the villages of South Goa and Kortalim constituency in particular.